Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video of my cold start. It's currently minus 15 degrees of my 2006 Tomos Streetmate with very low kilometers on it. It only has 1,541 kilometers on it, original. It was put in storage in 2008, and in the fall of 2018 I bought it, and I redid the ignition system. There were some problems with the coil, CDI unit, replaced the spark plug, and cleaned out the carburetor and got it running. And I just passed inspection a few days ago, so now it's pretty cold. Try to start on it soon. Yeah, these are Slovakian made mopeds, and they're pretty hard to find parts for. Mirrors are replaced after inspection because the ones that I had on there were ugly. They weren't the original chrome ones. It's the only modification that's done to it so far. So this one's interesting. It's got a little key that looks like this, and can't really see that. So you have a luggage compartment in the front, cargo compartment. Open it up. It's a nice big space, but you kind of see the wiring and everything rattles around in there, so it's pretty annoying. And you've got a seat. Open the seat to refill your gas tank. You got to pull up on the seat and twist the key at the same time, and then go up and let's get it with one hand. Up and out. There we go. Up and out. And yeah, you have your oil reservoir and your gas reservoir, battery, a little bit of compartment space there. I think it's where the owner's original manual went. And that's lock it. Now, it's locked. Good. Here's where you put the key to start it, and you can either back pedal or push the electric start, but it's cold, so I'm going to back pedal. Move it up a bit. And now to put the choke on, you press it down, choke on, and to pull it off, you push it back up. So choke's on, and on. See how many kicks this takes to start. I wanted to get a GoPro video of me riding it, but my GoPro battery is currently dead. It's probably the last day I could ride it before winter. Whoa, the whole thing's moving around. Oh, it almost fired there. We should be starting soon. There we go. It is about minus 15 outside, so it's hard to start. Oh, that one almost made it. Come on. These are hard to start when they're cold, but when they're warm, they're really nice. And they ride nice because they have a 2-speed automatic transmission on them. They are a little jerky sometimes, but there we go. There we go, running. Let it warm up first. So on your dash you have your light that tells you it's running. You have your blinkers, and you have oil light, low oil light, and your high beam light. And here's the blinker control. You got right, left, shut it off, orange, turn it out. So let's start coming over there. It's a nice bike. It looks pretty nice, but yeah, again, it's a 2-speed transmission, and in stock form, the top speed I'm able to get on flat ground is only about 52 kilometers an hour top speed. But Yeah, you can do lots of modifications to this. That's a good thing. You can put a Technigas or other brand aftermarket pipe on it. Rejet the carburetor. Give it a good tune. And you can get an additional 15 kilometers an hour out of it. Maybe a sprocket on the back. And you're good. But yeah, I'm keeping the stock for now. We'll see how it goes in the spring. But it's like the last day I could really ride it on the road because there's still some dry pavement. There's a lot of ice and snow forming. So I don't know if I could ride it anymore after this. Oh, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, that's the bike. I'm gonna ride it for a bit after this. Once it warms up, you'll see. Actually, no, let me show you the electric start on it. Oh, shut it off. Electric start. Either brake, right or left. There we go. Once it warms up, the wheel's gonna slow down to a decent enough speed to where it idles properly. Even in the summer, it's hard to start with cold starts. It takes 6, 7, 8 kicks. In the winter, whew, the chain might need to be adjusted a bit. Besides for that, everything's good. Got any more videos down below.